everybody, it's Peter with ClassicSteelRC over here. Got my son James. How you guys doing? Today we've got another unboxing video for you. We've got the Haiboxing desert truck. This is a brand new buggy that just came out a few days ago. Give or take around November 11th, 2020. Today's the 15th and it's been a few days. Anyway, it's a 1/12 scale buggy. Again, Haiboxing desert truck. I'll try to get you an exact model number. I'll try to look at the box in a minute to see if I can get you a model number. Got it from Amazon for about $108, and then I got a coupon as well. So anyway, it was $108 is without the coupon. Great value for the money. I'm dying to get it on the trails, but I've seen some other videos. And it's awesome. It's beautiful, as James put it. It is, again, 1/12 scale. Ready to run buggy. 2.4 gigahertz transmitter and receiver. It's a four-wheel drive truck, or vehicle I should say. It's got adjustable spring-loaded shocks. They are not oil-filled shocks. They are, in my opinion, a little bit weak, and I'll show you later. We did open this earlier and took a look at it, but for the most part this is a real unboxing. I think the shocks could be a bit stiffer, but then again you can always upgrade to this is a hobby grade RC, so you can upgrade to stiffer shocks with oil in them, oil-filled shocks. Anyhow, or you could just change out the springs for something stiffer. It's got ball bearings throughout. It's got a brush motor. It's got center, rear, and front differentials. It's got drive shafts. The electronics are splash-proof. They are not fully submersible, so do not take this into any type of deep water whatsoever. Again, you can go around in like little puddles or something. It is splash proof. So
What's opening up?
well, let's get to a couple of things really quick. I'm not going to read this whole paragraph here, but I want to read the dimensions to you. Now, I don't have the inches right now in front of me, but it is 372 millimeters in length. The width is 260 millimeters. Height is 66 millimeters, and the wheelbase is 243 millimeters. Gear ratio is 1 to 11.15. So it does have working LEDs on the bumper, 2 of them on the bumper, and it's got a 4 LED light bar on the roof. Excuse me. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box. Again, just so you know, the brand is Haiboxing. Haiboxing is the brand. Desert truck. And the model number, if I can find one, to give you an easy way to find it on my Amazon. There we go. Item number is 2995. 2995 is the item number. Available on Amazon for about $108. Let me go ahead and unbox it for you.
And it's also 14 years.
Yeah, ages 14 and up are recommended. So James, you can't touch it.
What?
Just kidding, I'll let you play with it. So the cool thing is, there's no zip ties whatsoever. It makes it really easy to do an unboxing.
What is that?
There we go, ladies and gentlemen. There is the Haiboxing desert truck. So this thing is pretty heavy duty. I'm very impressed with it. You can really tell that this is not a toy. I'm gonna go out and say that this is a true hobby grade RC, in the sense of that it's pretty quality built. I mean, again, there are upgrades that you can make. The shocks being one of them. I'm probably gonna put oil-filled shocks on there, but they're certainly not bad for what this is meant for, which is gonna be driving at high speeds on rough terrain. It's not a rock crawler at all, but if you do jump it, it will bottom out.
Yeah, that's wild.
Hopefully I don't break my table.
Yeah, because it's glass.
It did bottom out, so you don't really want to be jumping this thing with the shocks that it's got.
Yeah, you.
And if you do, just be prepared that it will bottom out, so be careful of what you're landing on. You got a functional spare tire there. That's not just for looks. That is a backup spare tire for you if you need it.
Yeah.
Whole body is held on by 4 body clips. Let's go ahead and take off the body and show you. Can I have those, please? Thank you. All right, Let's turn it this way. You have a coiled wire which takes you to the light bar on the roof.
And it's
Indirectly, of course.
Please do not touch the engine.
You've got two. I'm going to get to the package in just a minute, the bag with the accessories and so on. But it comes with two 7.4 volt lithium polymer batteries with Dean's connectors on those. 16 milliamps, 16 milliamp hours. I don't know if I said that or not, but 7.4 volt lithium polymer with Dean's connectors. So you got your Velcro strap here to hold it in. If you haven't noticed already, the chassis is partially enclosed. Again, I say partially enclosed. I mean, there are openings in it. So again, this is not a waterproof vehicle. It's splash proof. You got your little fan right there, motor and transmission, all that stuff is in there. There's a little fan right there, buddy. Anyhow, and like I said, you can upgrade to oil-filled shocks if you want, or just put some stiffer springs, or don't do anything at all. It's up to you.
Yeah.
This thing is really nice, and I'm dying to get the battery charged up and take it out.
So there's also plastic that...
Yes, thank you. Thank you for bringing that up. There's a plastic film on there that you need to take off if you're going to put the stickers on, which brings us to, well, you should take it off anyway. Brings us to the accessories and so on. We got the owner's manual and a sticker sheet. You've got decals and stickers and so on and so forth that, again, you've got to take off the protective film to put it on there. A little thank you card, which I'm not going to read just yet. Thank you card from the manufacturer. I'm going to put that back in there, and we got a bag here. We've got our other batteries, so again, that's 2 batteries. We've got 4 additional body clips in case you lose any. We've got a 4-way hex wrench, metal by the way, little screwdriver, Phillips head, and the USB charger with a balance connector on there. And so you've got your Dean's connector and your balance connector on the batteries here. Anyhow, so there we go. $108 Haiboxing desert truck from Amazon. Hope you guys like it. I will run I'll do a run video. I might do a few seconds at the end of this video if there's enough charge. Otherwise, look for another run video here on ClassicSteelRC.
Steel like the metal.
Steel like the metal. James, do you have anything to say?
Please like, share, comment.
And most importantly, subscribe to ClassicSteelRC. Again, it's Peter, my son James right there. Thanks a lot, and you guys have a great one. Take care. Almost forgot the transmitter. James reminded me as I was wrapping it up. So we have a pretty basic transmitter. It's actually pretty nice. It's not heavy, which is good. There is no foam on the dial, but that's okay because it's got grooves, so you definitely have some grip. It's got a steering trim on there, speed switch, which goes from 40% on up to 100% for the throttle response. So you can turn it all the way down to 40% for a beginner, all the way up to 100%. I've heard that it goes 20-something kilometers per hour, which I'm not sure how much that is in miles per hour. I'd have to convert it. Anyway, steering reverse button on there also, and your on-off switch. Anyhow, that's pretty much it. Like I said, thanks for watching ClassicSteelRC. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment.
Hey, I was going to say that.
Well, I took your line. You guys take care. Thanks. Say bye, James.
Bye! They do that because it's so fast, right?